Hello and welcome to Roper Whitney, your trusted source for high-quality metal forming equipment since 1910. As an industry leader, we take pride in manufacturing our auto brakes from start to finish in Rockford, Illinois. But that's not all we do. We also specialize in remanufacturing used auto brake machines. In this video, I'm going to take you through the incredible transformation these machines undergo as we bring them back to life. Let's get started. Step 1, the trade-in program. Our trade-in program allows customers to trade in their used machine for a credit to upgrade to a brand new one. This allows customers to enjoy the latest features and newest software while giving their old machine a new purpose. Step 2, a complete overhaul. Our remanufacturing process begins with a complete disassembly of the machine. Our team inspects every component, identifying areas that require extra attention. Every major component is carefully cleaned and painted to restore its appearance and protect against corrosion. Step 3, replacement and repair. Worn or damaged parts are replaced with high-quality replacements. Bearings, known for their crucial role in smooth operation, are replaced to ensure optimal performance. Mechanical, electrical, and pneumatic assemblies are inspected and repaired or replaced as needed. Step 4, reassembly. After all the necessary repairs and replacements have been made, the machine undergoes the reassembly process. Our assemblers ensure that each component is correctly installed and aligned, bringing the machine back to its original form. Step 5, thorough testing. Once the machine is completely reassembled, it undergoes rigorous testing by our experienced team. We check every function and performance aspect to ensure the machine meets our strict quality standards. At Roper Whitney, we are committed to sustainability and offering cost-effective options to our customers. Remanufactured machines not only reduce waste, but also offer an affordable option to those seeking reliable machines. If you're interested in a remanufactured machine or would like to trade yours in towards credit on a brand new one, please contact us. Thank you so much for watching.